What's up, everybody? Nick Horst here with eXp Realty. Today we're going to be walking through Sego Homes paired villas. So on my right, you've got the Coventry, and on my left, you've got the Sheffield. So now the Coventry was just featured in Salt Lake City's Parade of Homes. It won an award for Best Interior, and it also won an award for craftsmanship. So congratulations on Sego Homes for participating in the Parade of Homes and coming away with some hardware that's really amazing. But today we're going to be walking through the Sheffield, saving the Coventry for after. You know, I gotta bait you guys with a carrot every once in a while, but the Sheffield is a beautiful half of this paired villa. It's 3,018 square feet. This one is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. It does have a 2-car garage. The biggest differentiator between the Sheffield and the Coventry, other than some height differential on the interior ceiling height, the Coventry also has an accessory dwelling unit so that you can actually rent that after the purchase, or let your son or daughter live in the accessory dwelling unit apartment and give that feeling of spatial separation before going off to college, or maybe save them a few shekels before they buy their own house. Whatever it is, that accessory dwelling unit does separate the differences between the Coventry and the Sheffield. Let's take a look at the Sheffield. Welcome to Sego Homes paired villas. This is the Sheffield floor plan of the paired villas. Right next door, you've got the Coventry. This is your shared wall. But again, like I've talked about in previous videos, Sego Homes does make such good quality homes that noise will not be an issue because it is really well insulated and really well built. So you're not going to be hearing your neighbors unless they're up late at night partying and doing a really thump with the bass or pounding on the walls because it's your brother-in-law or sister or brother or parents living next door and they want to get your attention. This specific model of the Sheffield is going to be $874,500. So that's all the upgrades and additions that they've done, the finishes, the flooring, the island, the upgrades that they've chosen throughout the home. Maybe it's the fireplace, all these upgrades, the internal vacuum system are going to increase the price throughout time, but they do start at $683,000, also depending on location. It's a really nice location close to the waterfront and the water course as well as the braided stream. So the location of this one is a little bit nicer than maybe some of the interior areas, which are also great because Daybreak does have that contiguous green space. So you're always going to have access to green areas, parks and recreation, pickleball, places for your kids to play, bike trails, running trails, all those things. So let's continue walking out through the Sheffield. All right, so welcome to the basement of the Sheffield floor plan. Again, with all Sego Homes, you're gonna get that Energy Star certified home. So it's gonna be built really well with really great indoor air quality, super efficient windows, really low, no VOC or volatile organic compounds in the paints, and no off-gassing of the materials that they choose to use on the interior of the homes. That's without choosing higher option packages. That's just baseline for Sego Homes. So it's going to be a healthy house no matter what you go with. This being a more upgraded model, you do see some really nice finishings and textile choices, so that does increase the value of the house. This is the basement. It's a really great usable functional space. Sego is doing that incentive to finish basements so that you can actually move into a home that is ready to go, ready to furnish, and ready for you and your family to enjoy. So I'm obviously not going to film every nook and cranny, every bathroom, every bedroom of every model that I walk through. I want to show you guys the highlights of the homes that you want to move into and the things that you care about. This is the primary bedroom of the Sheffield floor plan. It's a beautiful space. Great natural lighting with these amazing windows, and the doors, the French doors, open up onto your patio. I do notice they're not French. But you've got these beautiful doors opening up onto your patio that you can enjoy either a morning meditation, some time before you go to bed, and then you've got your ensuite directly in front of me here, and I'm going to help you take a look at it. Welcome to your ensuite private primary bathroom. You've got a beautiful dual vanity setup, that standalone tub that's so custom and true to Sego Homes. They want to give you that feeling of luxury and comfort and holistic health and wellness. You can close off your bathroom, so if If you don't want to know what's going on in there, shut it off to the world and leave it be. Got a beautiful stand-up shower, as well as a really nice spacious walk-in closet right behind you. Y'all have seen a walk-in closet. You've seen Sego Homes of what they do. It's spacious, it's nice, it's comfortable. You can fit 2 people's clothes in there unless they've got a problem, and then maybe you need to sell some clothes. Or, let them do their thing and use one of the other office spaces as another closet and just keep the family healthy and happy and move on with your life, because solutions are out there and you need to exercise them whenever you can. Awesome, y'all. So that was the Sheffield floor plan of the paired villas from Sego Homes. It's a really great floor plan, and it does save you a few shekels going with a paired villa, because you do get really amazing location on the new watercourse development here in Daybreak, where you can paddleboard, you can kayak. You've got a little coffee shop going in that main kayak rental, which is just across the street. You've got a playground for your kids. You've got multiple different green spaces for you and your family to enjoy, whether it's picnicking or just enjoying the pleasantry of the view. Having green space and trees to look out on. You've got the vista of the Ochre Mountains right behind you. You've got the whole Wasatch Range out and about on the east coast of the valley. Really stunning to watch the sunsets here. So the Sheffield floor plan is a beautiful option for you and your family. If you liked this floor plan, please let me know in the comments. If you're excited about the Coventry, do pay close attention and hit that bell so you're notified when that video does drop, because I'm going to be dropping it here soon and you're going to want to see it because it is immaculate. Again, the Coventry was in the Parade of Homes and it won Best Interior of the Parade of Homes, as well as craftsmanship. Thanks again, Sego Homes, for letting me walk through these beautiful homes. The paired villas are really cool. I do really appreciate it. And y'all, the audience, if this is something that you want, do send me an email. Call me, text me, drop me a DM, whatever works best for you. Let's get you guys in one of these models and one of these floor plans so that you and your family can thrive in this amazing environment. Peace, and I love you all. See you at the Coventry.